First item is this lipstick holder. Pink siya and flower, kaya kinuha ko siya. Yung anikan lang, yun know, and glittery siya.
Mini pink lipstick holder keychain, clips onto your bag, keys or purse, cute and practical.
Next is this pointed markers. Empake namin kasi maglilipat ako ng bahay. So, nilili ko siya sa Temu.
Still using thick markers that look messy on your boxes. These pointed markers writes on boxes, tape, plastic, and more.
Next item is this hand towel. Patrick siya. And color pink. So, nilili ko siya ulit. Yung pink, 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 pink.
POV, you walk into the bathroom and see this. It's Patrick's star, but here's your towel now. Super soft hand towel.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to use my code and happy shopping. Bye!